Hello friends, this is Raman from tradingwithvenus.com. Today we'll take a look at a trade that was taken in the trade room last week. This was on September 13, 2018, and this was Euro-US dollar short trade. The purpose of this video is to kind of do a deep dive into the trades that are taken in the live environment and to really take a look at how the trades looked under live market conditions, because sometimes when we look at the trades after the fact, everything looks nice and perfect. However, when we are looking at trades in the live environment, they can look quite different, and really understanding when to take a trade and what can happen is a very important thing for us as traders. Before we dive in here, just a quick disclaimer. This is for educational purposes only. Trading is a risky business, and every time we enter a trade, there is an opportunity to lose money as well, just as there is an opportunity to make money. So please be mindful of that and be careful with your trading. So let's dive into our chart. This is Euro-US dollar, a 1 hour chart. And the trade that was taken was a short trade, and it was based on an inefficient market move. An inefficient market move is when price will suddenly take off to the upside. And as we can see here, price just took off. This was based on some comments that came out, and price just took off to the upside. And then we saw that price went into this R2 pivot point level, and it came down off of that. And then we had this railroad reversal signal, or a bearish engulfing candlestick. And then price started to pull back here, and that's where the entry was taken. The bias was to the short side, and I was looking for this inefficient move to actually get filled. Generally, when we have moves like this, the sudden price move, price will tend to come back and fill these moves. So in this case, the entry was taken after the bearish candle closed, then the price pulled back, and as the price was coming down, I entered the trade short here. And as you can see here, price actually decided to go test this level here again and then go through it. That's why our stop needs to be a little bit further away, because when we have these momentum moves like this, sometimes the momentum can carry the price higher. And in this case, as we can see, price went all the way almost into our R1 level here, and then bounced off of that and came all the way to where our profit target was. Let's take a look at what this looked like under live market conditions. So this is one of the charts that I had posted in the trade room. This is a 5-minute Euro-US dollar chart. As we can see, price had just taken off here, and then it just hung around here. It came into our R2 and wasn't able to break this 1.1700 level, and then started to bounce back down. So for a long time, price was just hanging around here. A lot of times when a price does not break higher, that means it will go and fill the inefficiency. So this is the move that I was looking for. So the trade was called here, and we entered the trade short at 1.1677, and the take profit target, as we can see, is 1.1620, which is exactly where the price came to. Stop loss was higher, and as we can see, price came quite close to, came to about 20 level here. So we have to make sure that we give the trade some room to breathe, and then price finally bounced down, filled this inefficiency here, and came all the way to where the price started off from. So this is where our release point for the price is. Generally, price will come back to the release point, and then it will go wherever it wishes to go. And today, as we can see, price has bounced off a little bit higher here. So this was the trade. From entry to exit here, we got 55 pips in the trade, so our profit was 55 pips. And if you're trading a standard lot, then the profit is $550. If you enjoyed this video and would like to join me in the trade room, I am currently running a special promotion. As part of the trade room, you get access to the weekly market overview that I do every Sunday. You also get to join my private Skype group where I share my trade ideas and commentary as the live market unfolds. I also provide live trade setups and live entries with stop loss and take profit targets. As well as you get access to the daily market analysis call that we do every evening, and we go through over 20 pairs, and we've looked for the best trade setups in those pairs, and you will get levels that you can take trades from yourself as well. Even if you're not taking my trades that I call, you can take your own trades based on the analysis that we do together. There's also a members only webinar every Friday. This is an educational webinar, and this is where I pick a topic every Friday that I think will be meaningful to the members of the trade room, and I go in depth into that topic. As a bonus, you will get the pivot point indicator with this. Then the cost of that is $97 if you were to just buy it on its own. Plus, you get my Learn to Trade Forex course. So this is the course that I sell on my website for $497, which you get as a free bonus for signing up for this. Now, the cost for this promotion is $997 a year. Generally, I was charging $97 a month. So just for the trade room, it would have cost you $1,200 for the year. But this way, you only pay $997 for the entire year. So you get 2 months free trade room access, as well as you get the Forex course, which is worth $497, as well as my pivot point indicator and the pivot point course that goes with it. This is a great deal because as of end of September, the prices will go up. I am changing a few things in my business and changing the focus a little bit. So I will not have any monthly promotions for the trade room because it just creates too much churn for me and takes my focus away from trading. So going forward, the regular price for the trade room plus the course will be $3,000. I'm revamping the course, adding more mindset type of stuff, more fundamentals, and a little bit more advanced trading strategies as part of the trading course. So basically revamping the entire course. So if you sign up now, you will get access to the new course as well as part of this. So great deal, a great time to join the trade room. Right now, we are coming into some great trading months. September through December tend to be good trading months. So this is a good time for us to get back into trading and good time to make some money. So if you would like to join me, you can go to this link here, bit.ly/yearly trade room. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back with another trade setup very soon.